In this video, we'll learn how to identify percentage increases and decreases. This involves using multipliers to find the percentage by which something has changed. You'll need a calculator for this lesson. Before continuing with this video, make sure you have already seen our calculating percentage increases and decreases video, as we will be building on the multiplier method here. Links are in the description or top right hand corner now. Okay, here is an example. The cost of a tank of petrol rises from £40 to £48. Calculate the percentage increase. Okay, here is the answer. We find the multiplier and use that to find the percentage. So you do 40, which is our original price, times by the multiplier, which is the decimal we need to find, equals 48, which is our end price. Okay, now that means that the multiplier is equal to 48 divided by 40. That comes to 1.2 when entered into a calculator. And 1.2 is the multiplier for a 20% increase. Okay, now it's your turn. Here's another example. The number of members at a squash club has increased from 30 to 39. Calculate the percentage increase. Follow the method from the last question shown here on the right hand side. Pause the video and have a go. Okay, here is the answer. We have 30 times by the multiplier is equal to 39. This means that the multiplier is equal to 39 divided by 30, and that comes to 1.3. 1.3 represents a 30% increase. Okay, let's look at a decrease example. In a similar way, we can find percentage decreases. So let's see an example. The number of students in a year group decreases from 120 to 90. What is the percentage decrease? Pause the video now if you'd like to have a go. Okay, here is the answer. Like before, we find the multiplier and use it to find the percentage. So 120 times by the multiplier equals 90, meaning that the multiplier is equal to 90 divided by 120. That comes to 0.75 when entered into a calculator, and 0.75 represents a 25% decrease, and that's because 100% minus 25% is 75%, and 75% is 0.75 as a decimal. Okay, one last example for you to practice. Calculate the percentage decrease from 80 to 56. Follow the method from the last question shown here on the right hand side. Pause the video and have a go. Okay, here is the answer. Since multiplier times by 80 is equal to 56, we have the multiplier is equal to 56 divided by 80. That comes to 0.7, which is a 30% decrease, because 100 minus 30 is 70, and 70% is 0.7 as a decimal. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you got those correct. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment below if you have any suggestions for future videos. Subscribe so you get notified when the next video is out. And feel free to share with your friends if you think it would be helpful.